Here at the top of the hour, Winter Storm Quantum is the big story. It's created a lot of ice on the roads across Dallas, and now the system is spreading to the east. It's about to move into Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas, all in the path of the ice and snow.
Sleet and snow is now falling in the Mississippi Delta. Here's a live look at the Highway 82 Mississippi River Bridge at Greenville. That bridge is iced over, and that doesn't happen very often down here. You know, this much snow and ice, arguably, could be more disruptive to people in the South who aren't used to it than 40 inches of snow in Boston, for example. You know?
You're right about that, and it's going to not just be one day or one night of it. It's going to be a busy week.
Welcome to Weather Center Live. I'm Dave Schwartz.
And I'm Jennifer Lopez. Alex Wilson has the day off. Well, right now the big questions are, where is Quantum going? And when it gets there, will the temperatures be cold enough for snow or for ice?
Well, the National Weather Service certainly thinks that we're going to have all of those possibilities. And there is a new winter storm warning for Dallas for the next storm. We still have freezing drizzle in Dallas for the next storm. A winter storm warning is in effect. Freezing rain advisory all the way into the low country in South Carolina.
That's right. It's definitely busy across the South with wintry weather in mind. And as we look at your forecast for Wednesday, we're going to be seeing the new system coming in.
That's the new one, right.
And it first stops into Dallas, where we have more pink on the map, indicating some freezing rain. And it just drives right along I-20 over towards Birmingham.
Which is what you might not want to do, is drive along Interstate 20. Then look what happens once it heads east of the Appalachian Mountains. Atlanta in for some more frozen precipitation. Charlotte, Raleigh, snow. Norfolk, Danville, Virginia, snow. So it's all south of the Mason-Dixon now.
And it's going to be some good snow coming down through the southern Appalachians. Some of these areas, well, the purple indicates just across that northeast corner of Georgia, western North Carolina. Beautiful spot. They could be finding 5 to 8 inches of snow.
How about that? We have such a snow cover across the country, all the way down to I-20 from the Canadian border. Well, it looks like it's going to be a busy week in the South, and storm specialist Carl Parker.
Welcome back, everybody, here to Weather Center Live. I'm Jennifer Lopez, and today for Alex Wilson.
And I'm Dave Schwartz. Well, the South has several days of winter weather ahead. It's hit. You know, they've gotten a break all winter. They've been watching the Weather Channel, seeing all the snow in Boston and Plymouth and Cantori dancing in the snow and all that kind of stuff. Well, now it's hit them.
That's right.
Welcome to winter, my friend. Birmingham, Charlotte, Atlanta are all in play for snow and ice. Charlotte, too. Did I say Charlotte? Wilmington, Myrtle Beach,
You keep going,
Charleston.
Dave. Keep going.
I got a whole list of them here. Let's start with today's storm. This is Quantum, and this is what it's doing.
And it is bringing that ice right now into Shreveport, as well as along I-20 over into Mississippi. We've had reports from Greenwood, Mississippi, crossing the Mississippi River. It's tough because the bridge is iced over. You can see it's trying to push towards Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. Right now, though, the temperatures are just up in the low 40s, but they're going to be dropping.
They'll be dropping because it's so dry that whatever falls will evaporate, and evaporation is a cooling process and the rest. Now, here's the next storm. It's almost as if it's deja vu all over again, Jen. You know?
Well, we are going to be seeing another one come in, and one's moving in tonight. Another one will move in Wednesday and into Thursday, and that pushes all the way to the East Coast. So we are going to be dealing with more of the freezing rain, more of the snow. Snow's in blue, and it goes into the bigger cities across the South.
You know, the white bread and the toilet paper is going to be flying off the shelves of the Piggly Wigglies all across the South. The Arctic blast continues to tighten its grip on most of the country now. Yeah,
one city that's gotten hit pretty hard today has been Dallas, and we want to take you there live with Jay Gray. And Jay, we've been looking, the roads are starting to maybe improve just a little bit behind you. I've also wanted to ask about some of the schools tomorrow. Have you heard anything if they're closed or any businesses closed for
Thanks a lot, Carl. Boy, an active week across the South this week.
Yeah, Kim Cunningham and Alex Wallace, they have their work cut out for them, and they're coming up next.
And look at this beautiful shot that our producers found. That's New York City. That's Manhattan. We're looking south. That's the Empire State Building with the blue lights.
Yeah, it's colored in blue tonight for some reason. Not quite sure.
What's the reason?
I don't know.